Good morning, students. Today we are going to see the topic 2D geometric transformations in computer graphics. So, what does transformation means? Changing the picture from one position to another position, maybe based on a background, or maybe the transformation may occur in background, or it may occur in object is called transformations. So, what are the main purpose of computer graphics means? It provides facilities to the user to view the objects from different angles. It may be from many angles like front evaluation, side elevation, and top plan. So how the cartographer will change the image to different type of charts. The computer graphics also provide different type of view angles to an object. So here the transformations we will see, there are two types of transformation. One is geometric transformation, another one is coordinate transformation. In geometric transformation, the background will change, the object will not change. But in coordinate transformations, the background will not change, the object will change. In geometric transformations, the background will not change, the object only will change from one place to another place. In coordinate transformations, the object will not change, the background will change from one place to another place. That is called coordinate transformations. There are 5 types of transformations. First one is translation, second one is scaling, third one is rotating, fourth one is reflection, fifth one is shearing. So now we are going to see the first one. So first one is translation. What is translation means? The object will move in straight line from one position to another position. So in translation, the object will move from one position to another position. It will be moved only in straight line. So that is called translation. So here we will see that the object which is placed in a xy position, it must change it to the position x1, y1. The distance which is going to change is called tx and ty. The object which is traveled from x to x1, distance will be tx, while changed from y to y1, the distance will be ty. Here in figure we see that P of x is the original position of an object, P of x1, y1 is an changed position of an object. So it will be changed in straight line only. Here an example, you see that original position of a triangle will appear, and then after transfer, the transfer position will be seen. So next one is scaling. So scaling is mainly used to change the size of object. It can increase the size or decrease the size of the object. So scaling is mainly used to increase the size of the object. It will change the size of an object. So there are 2 types of scaling will be there. First one is uniform scaling, another one is differential scaling. Uniform scaling means the scaling will appear in equal position. That is, if 2 types object which is called xx and xy is there, means each will scale in same width is called uniform. Each will scale in different value, based on different value, means it is called differential scaling. Here we will see the image, original image and enlarged image. So scaling is mainly used to change the size of the object. That's all. Next one is rotation. We can move the object in we can rotate the object in any angle. It will be of 2 types. One is clockwise, another one is anti-clockwise. Here we can move the objects like straight line from clockwise to anti-clockwise, polygons, curved lines, circles, ellipses, all things we can move in clockwise and anti-clockwise directions. Next one is reflection. A reflection is a mirror of an object. So it will produce an image, that's all. That is called reflection. So it may be, we can reflect the object in x-axis, y-axis, and xy plane, and y equal to x plane. So how it will be means we will see here. So first one is reflection about x-axis. The object which is in x-axis in x-axis will be reflected in y-axis will be reflected in x-axis. The reflected images a1, b1, c1. So next one, in y-axis it will be reflected in it will be reflected in y-axis, that is a1 b1 c1. Then next one, it is an inversion image that is perpendicular to the plan, that is it will be viewed in a inverse case, that is called perpendicular to xy plane. Then next one is y equal to x, means the object which is looking in same case will be reflected in another case, that is called reflection. That's all. Next one is shearing. Shearing means the shape of the object will be blur in nature, that is called shearing. So it will be occurred in one direction, or it will be either occurred in two directions. So the original object will be seen in first picture, next shearing will be in x direction, next one both direction. So yeah, like this, like that we can shear any direction, that will be in two directions or one directions. That's all. Today we see what are the what is transformations, what are the types of transformations. So what are the how it will be occurs. That's all. Thank you.